Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. I'm here with you again for another pro tip. So today we're going to talk a bit about wire wheeling odd shaped objects like this rose here that I'm working on with a angle grinder, if you will. Now these are like little cup wheels on an angle grinder, and these can be very, very dangerous, and I want to talk a little bit about how to properly use them at the vise. Thanks for watching. Okay, so the first step, if you're going to take and be conquering some odd-shaped object like this at the vise with an angle grinder, that is the first step. You need a vise. Do not try to do this freehand and hold the wire wheel at the same time. You are asking for trouble and a lot of injury and hurt. So unless you want to take and feel what this will feel like being thrusted into your face or into your buddy's face across the room, don't do it. Always lock it in the vise. Now I'm going to give you this pro tip here about how to lock this in the vise. You need as much surface area of this piece as you can locked in the full length of the jaw of the vise. You can come out here to the end, but you need the full length of the jaw of the vise bit on here. Do not lock this up in here like so, where you're only gripping onto maybe 3/8 of an inch and try to get more area covered all at one time. That is very dangerous. In fact, years ago I had an instructor by the name of Wayne Apgar, one of my first blacksmithing instructors ever, to take and pretty much yell at me from the top of his lungs and made me a class example because I was doing something so dangerous with that. If that thing would have flicked out of there, it would have went at Mach 2 and it would have ended up hitting a guy that was like literally right in the path of that. And it could have hurt the guy really bad. So again, you want to lock it, have the full surface area of the vise jaw biting onto the piece if you can, and then you want to take and work with the piece. You need to remember that this has a rotation, and you always want to take and work where this is on the downstream of it. So where it's coming down and it's hitting the piece, like so. You don't want to get underneath it or upstream of it because then it's going to jerk that right up into your chest or jerk it around and maybe catch your shirt, tail, or jacket like I have done in the past. So that's just some quick safety tips on that. Let me know, do you use a cup wheel in the comment section down below, and how do you avoid protecting yourself from injury whenever you're wearing this, whenever you're actually working with this? Do you wear a certain type of clothing? Yada, 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 all that jazz. Put that in the comment section down below. This way we can all learn to have better and safer shop practices. So that's it for this pro tip. Like always, God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.